Volkswagen has been making headlines with its new line of electric vehicles called the ID series. The latest addition to this series is the Volkswagen ID.2 All, which promises to be an affordable and practical electric vehicle. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Volkswagen ID.2 and what makes it such an exciting new addition to the world of EVs. Guys, if you could take 15 seconds to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, it would greatly help the channel grow further. Thank you so much if you have done it. And now, take yourself comfortable and welcome to the Top First channel. First off, let's talk about the design. The Volkswagen ID.2 has a sleek and modern design that is sure to turn heads. It features a compact and sporty body with a distinctive front grille and a high roof line, giving it a unique look that sets it apart from other EVs on the market. The ID.2 also has large wheels, which not only look great but also help to improve its handling and stability. Moving on to the interior, the Volkswagen ID.2 is designed to be spacious and comfortable, with enough room for up to 5 passengers. The cabin is modern and minimalist, with a large touch-screen display in the center console that provides access to all of the vehicle's features and functions. The TUI also comes with a range of advanced safety features, such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control to help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Now let's talk about the most important part of any EV, the battery and range. The Volkswagen ID.2 is powered by a 62 kWh battery pack, which gives it a range of up to 260 miles on a single charge. That means you can take it on long road trips without having to worry about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, the ID.2 supports fast charging, so you can get back on the road quickly. But what really sets the Volkswagen ID.2 apart from other EVs is its affordability. Volkswagen has made a conscious effort to make the ID.2 an affordable electric vehicle that is accessible to everyone. With a starting price of around $30,000, it's one of the most affordable EVs on the market. And with the federal tax credit for EVs, the price can be even lower, making it an even more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of performance, the Volkswagen ID.2 is no slouch. It has a top speed of 99 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 8.5 seconds. That may not be sports car territory, but it's more than enough for everyday driving. And with its low center of gravity and precise steering, the ID.2 is a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. So, who is the Volkswagen ID.2 for? It's for anyone who wants an affordable, practical, and stylish electric vehicle. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a car that can navigate narrow streets and tight parking spaces, or a suburbanite who wants an eco-friendly vehicle for commuting and errands, the ID.2 is a great choice. In conclusion, the Volkswagen ID.2 All is an exciting new addition to the world of EVs. With its modern design, spacious interior, long range, and affordability, it's sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers. And with more and more automakers shifting their focus to electric vehicles, it's clear that the future of the automotive industry is electric. The Volkswagen ID.2 is a great example of what that future can look like. Thank you very much for watching. Your feedback to a video is really important, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to be in touch with newest cars news.